Okay, so review tayo for your coming civil service exam. An age problem pong tuturo ko sa inyo dahil marami pong ganitong lumalabas sa exam at marami pa rin pong nalilito pagdating sa mga problem na ito. At tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-analyze at makuha yung sagot ng mabilisan. Dahil when it comes to exam, oras po ang ating kalaban. Okay, so let's solve and analyze this problem. The sum of ages of two friends is 30. The other one is twice as old as his friends. The question here is, how old are they? Okay, pag may nakita po kayong ganitong problem, ay huwag po tayong ma-confuse. Okay, ang technique po dito, learn to analyze the problem by sentence. So ipapaliwanag ko po sa inyo at sasagutan po natin itong problem. The sum of ages of two friends is 30. Let A and B doon sa dalawang friends. At ang sabi niya dito, the sum, meaning addition. So si A and B daw, ito yung dalawang friends, ang age nila is 30. Okay. At ang sabi niya dito, the other one is twice as old as his friends. So isa dito sa A at sa B ay twice daw ang edad. So si B, ayan, twice daw ang edad kay A. Kasi sabi niya dito, the other one is twice as old as his friends. So meaning, itong si B is equal to 2A. Bakit 2A? Kasi twice. Pag sinabing twice, meaning times 2 or dalawa yan. Si B daw ay katumbas ng edad na twice itong si A. Okay, I hope you got this one. So, ito na po yung equation natin. A plus, substitute lang natin yung B, which is 2A. 2A is equal to 30. So, A plus 2A is equal to 3A. Is equal to 30. Para maiwan tong A, i-divide lang po natin by 3. 3. Therefore, A is equal to 30 divided by 3, 10. So, ito na po yung edad ni A. Pag nakuha po na natin yung edad ni A, okay, i-substitute naman natin dito para makuha natin yung edad ni B. Kasi ang question dito, how old are they? Meaning, ilang taon si A at ilang taon si B. So, substitute lang po natin dito. B is equal to 2. Substitute natin yung A which is 10. So, B is equal to 2 times 10 is 20. Ito na yung edad ni B. At pag sinubstitute natin dito, sa una nating equation, A is 10 at ang B ay 20 plus 20 is equal to 30. The sum of ages of two friends is 30. So, tama yung equation natin. Therefore, ang sagot ay 10 at 20. Letter B. Okay, I hope you got this one at hindi po tayo nalito. And follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless!